was written by
Frankie,
Ari,
Lennon,
Ricardo.
and this is our story.
And it's called Driftwood and the Chupacabras.
Who run the world?
Chupacabras!
Chupacabras run the world! Who run the world?
Chupacabras! Chupacabras run the world!
Who run the world?
Chupacabras! Chupacabras run the world!
Woo!
Yeah! And our world is rainbow and sunshines here at Driftwood Elementary.
Oh, and how much do we love dill pickles?
Oh, gourmet Gordon Ramsay dill pickles.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I bet his show is on. Turn on the TV.
Yeah, you're right. Let's see.
Got your...
Here we go.
Hello, I'm Gordon Ramsay, and I like to dip the Gordon Ramsay's gourmet dill pickles into Chupacabra brand hot sauce. It's a family recipe passed down from my grandma.
That's such a good idea.
Delicious.
I'm Mr. Billie Jean Spike, a turtle from the underworld.
Who let you in here?
No! I'm gonna have that.
No, she's devouring and demolishing my family recipe. No.
We gotta do something. We gotta fight Billie Jean Spike and our turtles.
But how?
Oh, I know. I know a bunch of kittens with super sharp claws and fire paws.
Oh yeah, and I know gummy bear guards with axes.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And I know some hairballs with hairbrushes.
Yeah, okay.
There he is!
Get him!
Yeah.
Hairbrush!
Where's our dill pickles?
Vomiting tsunamis!
Oh, we created a tsunami!
Breaking news from earlier today. I'm getting reports that Driftwood Elementary was underwater. Pufferfish and seamonster guards were on the scene. Students were taking trains and roller coasters to get from class to class. We'll keep you posted on this developing story.
And ever since we flooded the world, everyone lived sadly ever after. Except for the students that like the water. Like this guy.
I love the water.
Oh, stop!
Gordon Ramsay?
The end.
We are the story wranglers, bringing your stories to life.